Hello friends, my name is Hassan Hafiz Ahmed. I started studying in this academy 3 months back. Before started studying in this academy, I was not able to perform simple tasks on the computer, such as typing. I faced difficulty. I asked help from my friends. They started making fun of me, jokes of me. They started saying these are simple things. You cannot perform even simple tasks. But under the guidance of the competent teachers here, I am able to perform the task here. I joined this academy and with a view that I will perform very good in future life. I joined 2 courses here: graphic designing and Microsoft Office. And mashallah, under the guidance of my teachers such as Sir Dilawar and Sir Wasim, I am able to perform the task there, and my projects are very good according to teacher. Thank you Allah, thank you teachers. They helped me in time of difficulty. I wanted to go out for playing, but they said these 2-3 months are quite difficult for you, and if you are able to bear up this time of difficulty, inshallah after 2-3 months you will not only you would be happy, but you would be able to be expert in a computer, and you will be able to guide and help your friends yourself. And I cannot express my feelings that I'm very happy that the teachers here really helped me out. Therefore, I recommend my viewers to join this academy. And not only this academy, they offer the courses of computer, they offer the courses of translation, English, IELTS, TOEFL, and Russian language, etc. Please join this academy. This will be very useful for you and your family. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.